3-minute flicks. Entertaining, educating, and enlightening.
Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of language models, specifically focusing on the incredible technology behind ChatGPT. Have you ever wondered how these AI marvels learn to respond to us or where their answers come from? Well, you're in for a treat because we're about to demystify the magic. And just to clarify, let's bust some misconceptions surrounding AI opinions and autonomy. All right, let's start with the basics. Language models like ChatGPT learn from massive amounts of text data. They read, analyze, and process all sorts of text from books, articles, websites, and more. During this phase, the AI learns grammar, sentence, structure, context, and even some level of world knowledge. Think of it like giving the AI a strong foundation in language. But here's where the real magic happens. After pre-training, the language model goes through a process called fine-tuning. This is when the AI is trained on specific tasks or domains, such as medical advice, programming help, or in our case, being an awesome conversational partner. Developers curate a dataset of example interactions, where human experts provide responses to a wide range of user inputs. The AI then learns to mimic these expert responses by adjusting its internal parameters. Now, let's address the million-dollar question. Where do the AI's answers come from? When you input a question or a prompt, ChatGPT dissects the text and looks for patterns and similarities in its training data. It then generates responses based on these patterns and the information it's learned. All right, let's put some rumors to rest. Contrary to popular belief, AI, including ChatGPT, doesn't have opinions or emotions. It's not conscious, self-aware, or capable of forming personal beliefs. The responses it generates are a reflection of the data it has learned from and the patterns it recognizes. So, while it can sound convincingly human, it's essentially a sophisticated pattern matching machine. Now, it's important to note that language models have limitations. They might sometimes produce inaccurate or biased information if the training data contains such biases. This raises important ethical concerns, and developers are actively working to improve these models and make them more responsible. So, there you have it. The inner workings of language models like ChatGPT. They learn from vast amounts of text, fine-tune for specific tasks, and generate responses based on patterns in the data. Remember, they're not sentient beings with opinions or autonomy, but rather advanced tools designed to assist us in various tasks. If you're ever amazed by their responses, just know that it's a testament to the power of data-driven technology.
3-minute flicks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We create new videos weekly.